So here, can you see flower? Can you see flower? You can unmute yourself and speak. Can you see? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, we start. Hearty welcome to your computer class, class 4. So question, what is a computer? Computer is, all these are part of computer. Without CPU, this is system unit. Without CPU, monitor will not work. We need mouse to click. If I don't have mouse, I cannot do like that. I cannot do. I am using mouse. Okay. Now I am using mouse. So you can see no cursor going here and there. Keyboard. Without keyboard, we cannot type. If you don't have keyboard, we cannot write anything. So we need what thing we need? Monitor needed to see. This CPU needed for processing. This machine is, everything is there. This is called what? CPU is called brain of computer. This is brain. Our brain, we have brain, no? Like that only computer also computers have brains.
Brain.
This is the brain of computer. Okay, this is CPU. And there is keyboard. And here is mouse. This all we need. There are some more things are there which we can use it. So this is about lesson number 1, introduction to computer. So question is, what is computer? Answer is, a computer is a smart electronic machine. Computer is smart electronic machine. Okay. So this is question 1. So use of computer. Uses of computer. What are the uses? Which place we use computer? No. So what place can you see? This is where it is, this one?
School.
School. So we correct. Somebody said school. No, it is school. In the school, that computer. In our school also computers are there. No, where you go for practical.
Yes.
Like that. This is schools. Schools, no? This is students are learning. Here is the education. In school, computer are used in schools for teaching.
Teaching.
Teaching. Computer are used for mathematical calculation. Maths.
Calculations.
Calculate. Yeah, 7 plus 2 into equal to how much? How much is 7 plus 2? How much coming answer?
9.
9, correct, 9. Student can do their work by using computer. They can do work in student. No, you can work in your computer. So this is about computer. Again, there are some more pictures you will see. This picture, can you see? Where it is, this picture?
Home.
Home. Homes or house, no? In home, what they do? Play games, watch movies. In your home, you can play games, you can watch movie, you can listen songs, do homework, search study materials. No, in internet you can search. At home also, you can play, you can watch cartoon, you can listen songs, you can do homework. Homework, if something you want to search in Google, you can do at home also. You can use. Those who have at home computer, you can play games, you can watch movie, you can listen songs, you can do homework, like that. What picture you see, this one?
Hospital.
Not correct.
Bank.
Bank. This is bank. Okay, bank. This is bank. What do we do in the bank? बैंक में हम लोग क्या करते हैं? बैंक में what do you do? We submit
Money.
We keep our money in the bank. No, in the bank we keep our money. Next picture, what picture you see? people are sitting in the office. This is in the office. Office they work. Some office they use big companies. No, they work like in computer. They sit and they work in computer. They work. There's office. No, some offices. I don't know. Now, what picture you can see? What picture is it? Where it is this one? What picture can you see? Tell me now.
Shopping malls.
Shopping malls. Very good. Yeah, shopping mall. Yeah, this is shopping mall where you have to pay our money. No, here you have to bring
Yes.
from inside. You have to
You pay money.
these buckets are there. No, you have to carry our things inside. You keep shopping mall. Ourselves shopping mall. You have to go like big mall. No, you have to take ourselves and give money in the counter. Counter is sitting, people are sitting. You have to give money. And you- Okay. Next, what picture is this? What?
Cinema halls.
What picture is this? Can anyone tell me? What do we do here? We book tickets. Ticket book.
Airport.
Transportation where we book ticket, train ticket, bus ticket, no, plane tickets, all we buy all tickets. Now these are the parts of computer, no, all these will be needed for working. Not only monitor, we need this also and this also and this also. Monitor needed, CPU also needed, keyboard needed, and mouse also needed. Please tell, or you can write. You write in your copy full form of the following. ALU. What is the full form of ALU? What is the full form of ALU?
Arithmetic logic unit.
We say arithmetic logic unit. Correct. You can write in your copy.
Read only memory.
Read only memory. Correct. Yes. Read only memory. You can tell your answer. MU.
Now this one write in copy.
Yeah, you can write. You can write. MU. What is that?
Memory unit.
Memory.
Unit.
Very good. Yes. CU.
Control unit.
Control unit will say answer. Central or control? Central, I think. Control. Which one is right?
Control, sir. Control.
Control. So mistake is there. Okay, here mistake is there. CONTROL. Control. Here typing mistake. I made mistake. Okay. Mistake is there. RAM. RAM. RAM.
Random access memory.
Random access memory. CPU.
Central processing unit.
Very good. Central processing unit. So this is about full form. Now next lesson, one lesson is over. Okay, revision over. Now lesson number 2. Lesson number 2 is hardware and software. Okay. There are hardware are there and software. Yeah. These are the picture. Yeah. There is printer is there, monitor, CPU. This is microphone, not speaker. Microphone, keyboard, mouse, and your speaker. Basic parts of computer. This is now some pictures I am going to show you. Now these are what are they? What device are they are? What device they are? They are what device?
Input device. Input.
Input device, correct. Input device. These are input device. Keyboard also input device. If you type here, it will go to monitor. And if you say in the microphone, you can hear. Where you will hear? If you speak here, where you will hear? If you speak in front of microphone, where sound will come? Sound will come where? Speaker. Where speaker is there you can hear. And mouse, when you move your mouse on screen on your monitor, you can see this. So here I am moving. And this is what? This one. What is this? What is this?
Joystick.
Huh? Joystick. Joystick. What is the work of joystick? What do you do with
It is used to play game.
playing games? Yes, we have to play games. So with joystick we play games. And scanner. This is scanner. With scanner, what do you do?
It is used to scan images or text.
We can scan. We can scan images or what? Photos, everything. Okay, next. What is called this one?
Speaker.
Speaker. And this one?
Printer.
And this?
Monitor.
Monitor. They are called what? What devices?
Output.
Output devices. Output devices. So why we call output devices? Because monitor. Why we call output device? Monitor is output device because it is used to display the output on the screen. Whatever you type, you can see on the screen. And speaker. What is the why it is output device? Because it produces voice output. Output voice will come here, sound will come, music will come in this. And this is why it is printer is output devices, because it printing out. Here you can see printing out here. Printing. When you print out, this is called hard copy. When it is in the computer, it is called soft copy. If it is not printed, if it is inside the computer, then it is called soft copy. And when it is printing out, it is called hard copy. Now what picture is this? What picture is this?
CD.
This is CD.
Compact disc.
DVD.
Compact disc.
This is compact disc, and this DVD, and this is the hard disk. Then there is one more, pen drive. They are called what device?
Drive. Storage device.
Storage device. Very good. Storage device. Okay, storage device. So we can store our pictures, our videos, our movies in this pen drive. This is 16 GB pen drive. So it is very small GB. We can store here. And here also you can store our photos. Also you can keep in your DVD. When movie we want to watch before this one, neither used to use DVD or CD. Now there is no CD DVD. We use pen drive. This is hard disk. Here also we can store many things. Now you write your jumble words are there. Now write, please write fast.
Output.
Right, I am telling you, right. You write only question, you write now. Question write and answer also write. First write fast. Don't tell now. You write yourself. Okay. Now those who finished can tell now. Who finished writing?
Sir, I am.
Tell. Answer tell.
Output.
Okay, output. Next question. Write fast. Don't tell now. I'll ask you when it is time. No, I gave 15 seconds. I'll give you 15 seconds. Again, I'll ask you. Now write fast. Write in your copy. Copy write. Now don't tell answer. Only write. Okay, tell the answer now. Storage, good. Correct. Next question. Right now, only writing. I'll give you time to say.
This answer is machine.
Wait. Tell the answer.
Machine.
What is missing? Machine. No? Yes. Correct. Now write. I'll tell you when to speak. Okay. Now write. 15 seconds I give you to write. Now timing for you to write. Don't write on the screen. In your copy only write. In your copy. Don't write in the mobile. Write in your copy. Don't write on your screen. I am telling. Somebody writing on the screen. Now tell the answer.
Monitor.
Monitor. Correct. This is monitor. Now write. 10 seconds now I'll give. 10 seconds to write. Fast write. Tell the answer.
Speaker.
Yes. Speakers. Now tell. Hey, wait. Now write. Only writing. 10 seconds writing. Wait. Now only writing. I'll ask you to say afterwards. Now write. Correct answer. Right. Okay. Tell now.
Scanner.
Scanners. Yes, correct. Scanners. Now write. 10 seconds. Write. Tell the answer. Tell answer. Tell the answer now. Don't know? Tell answer.
Printer.
Now tell. Hey, wait. Now write first. Now 5 seconds only. I will give 5 seconds. Tell the answer.
Pen drive.
Yes, correct. So this is speaker. First one is speaker. No, this one speakers. First scanner. This is scanner. This is printer. Try. Now lesson number 5. Step to open a Microsoft Paint. When you want to open Microsoft Paint, you have to go to first start button here. Start button. Then all program. After all program, you have to accessories. You have to go accessories. After accessory, again you have to go this side, and this is the paint. Here paint is there. So you click here, then painting you can.
Sir, this question answer right.
No need to write now. No need now. You start yourself. It will come. Now this is the steps to open a Microsoft Paint. Okay. There are some shortcut keys are there. This is you can see no control. This is it. Yeah. Control A it will become select all. Control B make select text bold. Bold it will become bold. If you opening your when you type no, then you can make use shortcut keys. Control plus C copy. Control plus C get the front dialog. Control plus E center text. Control plus F find. Control plus G go to. Control plus H replace. This one just I am giving, it may not come here. Some only few will come. Here will come some few. No? These are not there in your book. I am giving extra knowledge. I am giving you extra. So these are you can learn afterwards. It is very useful in your class 5, class 6, 7, 8, and 10. Control plus I. It become italic. It become like this. Different style will come. Control plus J to justify text. Text will justify. Now it will become. Okay. Oh, sorry. After 10 minutes, it will be off. No, if you finish before. If you are closing no, your zoom up, again you have to click same link. Okay. Same link you click afterwards. Control plus K insert a hyperlink. I'll explain after this one. When you go higher class, you will learn this one. Control plus A left align text. Left side it will come. Control plus M indent from left. Just a minute, okay? I'll stop now.